How to fix application was unable to start correctly, 0xc00004ac, error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Disable memory integrity. Windows security features like memory integrity can block applications that don't meet strict code signing standards, leading to launch failures. Turning this off relaxes those restrictions and may allow the problematic app to run. Damaged or missing system files can prevent applications from starting correctly, triggering errors. Running System File Checker and Dism can repair these files and restore system stability. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If the application's own files are corrupted or improperly installed, it might fail to launch, resulting in this error. Reinstalling it replaces damaged components with a fresh copy. Outdated or incompatible drivers, particularly for graphics or system components, can cause conflicts that stop apps from launching. Updating them ensures compatibility with Windows and the affected applications. Expand categories like display adapters or sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click each device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the prompts. Restart your computer after updating all relevant drivers. When all else fails, a deeper system issue might be at play, such as widespread corruption from updates or malware. Resetting Windows reinstalls the OS while keeping your files, potentially resolving the error. Select Keep My Files and Cloud Download. Next, pick whether you want to reinstall the apps. Click Reset.